Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you and welcome to explainer number 4 in this showcase series where we're creating a personalized 3D gallery using images, video clips and 3D objects. In this explainer we'll start adding our own images and video clips to the gallery. I've opened the gallery scene saved at the end of the previous explainer. First, let's import our edited images into the Unity project. In the Modern Gallery folder, I'm going to create a new folder by right-clicking, Create Folder. I'll title it Photos and double-click to open it. I can now drag and drop my edited images directly from their current location on my computer into this new folder. I'm about to use a quick and easy method to bring images into the gallery scene. If you're learning Unity for use outside of this project, do some research into materials and textures, as these will be central to how your virtual gaming worlds look. I'll start by creating a quad by going to Game Object, 3D Object, Quad. Quads look the same as planes, but they're geometrically simpler, so are the preferred option for better performance. Make sure you name the object in the hierarchy, or you'll just end up with a long list that goes Quad 1, Quad 2, Quad 3, etc. I can now drag and drop an image directly onto the new quad. We can scale the quad by selecting the Scale tool here and dragging the grey origin handle like this. Next, I'll change the X scale by dragging the red handle. It's going to need rotating. Select the Rotate tool and rotate it manually, or again you can use the inspector to directly set precise angles. Finally, select the Move tool and move the picture into place on one of the gallery walls. Next, I'm going to do the same, but this time for an MP4 video. So start with a new quad, drag the video file onto it, and adjust the scale and location of the object as needed. Be aware that to see the video play, you'll need to enter play mode here. I'll continue to add my images and video clips to the gallery. In the next explainer, we'll add 3D objects to the gallery scene. You can search for free 3D models in the Unity Asset Store or on popular sites including CG Trader, Turbo Squid and Sketchfab. Feel free to download a couple ready to try out.
Pixels.cool.